What if I told you there is another Earth floating in space, and it's only 11 light years away? Yeah, you heard it right. In 2017, the European Southern Observatory gave us a clear answer. Yes, the planet is called Ross 128b. Now, let's put 11 light years into perspective. On a cosmic scale, that's basically next door. The Milky Way alone has over 100 billion stars, and the star system hosting Ross 128b ranks among the 20 closest to Earth. Even crazier, it's moving toward us. In about 79,000 years, it will pass Barnard Star and become the closest known exoplanet to Earth. Ross 128b is about 1.4 times the mass of Earth and completes an orbit around its star every 9.9 days. Sounds pretty normal so far, right? Here's where things get wild. Its orbit is only 1/20th the distance between Earth and the Sun. Normally, that close would turn a planet into a roasted fireball, but somehow, Ross 128b only receives about 38% more radiation than Earth. So how does that even make sense? The answer lies in its star. Ross 128 is a red dwarf star, small, dim, and cool. It has just 17% of the Sun's mass and about 20% of its radius. Its surface temperature is roughly half that of the Sun, and it emits very weak light. From Earth, you can't even see it with the naked eye. Because the star is so faint, Ross 128b can orbit extremely close and still maintain relatively mild temperatures. Scientists estimate the planet's surface equilibrium temperature ranges from about negative 60 degrees Celsius to positive 20 degrees Celsius. That's huge. If Ross 128b had an atmosphere, liquid water could exist on its surface. And as far as we know, liquid water is a must-have for life. But temperature isn't the most exciting part. Red dwarf stars are the most common stars in the universe, but they're usually a nightmare for life. Most of them are extremely active, constantly blasting their planets with violent stellar flares, ultraviolet radiation, and X-rays. Proxima Centauri b is a textbook example. It's the closest exoplanet to Earth, but its star is so aggressive that the planet's surface is likely sterilized by radiation.